18th of December, International Day of the Migrant. In these very troublesome times, migration, the opening of our societies to some people who come from outside, the capacity of building living together that is worthwhile for the people already living here, and for those who come, are major issues that we have to deal with. I think that in the European Union over the last years, the policies and the narrative around migration has mostly been negative, and it has really not taken into account two unavoidable realities. First of all, we are all migrants at a certain moment of our history. Myself, I came here to Brussels many years ago, and there are many reasons why people migrate, and a lot of these reasons are positive, both for the person and for the society in which he or she comes. Also, under a purely economic point of view, even in Europe, although many people don't believe it, the entry of migrants and the activities that migrants developed have resulted in a net advantage for the society in which they're in. On the other hand, we cannot, of course, deny that migration and intense and very heavy entry of foreigners into our societies bring also problems that cannot be left unattended. Actually, I am absolutely convinced, and even more so in this International Day of the Migrant, that the major problems that our societies and our government face when they talk about migration is the stubborn refusal to govern this phenomena and to deal with it as an issue that is not only unavoidable, but that can be dealt with in a positive way. I think that the mindset of a lot of our government, not even extreme right political forces, but of media, of parties, and of many people, is simply that the main priority is to keep people out. And it is obvious that if our main objective is to keep people out, we will go on spending lots of resources, both at European and at national level, to build fences, to make life difficult, to introduce regulations which do not facilitate what could be facilitated and made easier. So I believe that if there is one thing that the European Greens have as a priority, beside all the work that we do in order to make sure that regulation at European level and at national level are positive and can be effective to deal with the phenomenon of migration, is also to participate to a cultural shift that is absolutely necessary in order to make our society more welcoming, but also more able to deal with the problems that inevitably the influx of people will create, and is already creating in our society, to overcome fears, to deal with them, not to deny them, but also to reaffirm once again that it is possible to live together in a positive situation.